Hello friends, today's topic, three stocks in the news today. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Due to various announcements, news or quarter results, certain famous stocks have moved significantly up or down today. We are discussing brief reasons for the stock movement today. These were the big movers today. First stock is BSE. Shares of Bombay Stock Exchange (BSE) Limited rallied by 8.3% today. This was a reaction to the quarter results announced yesterday evening after market hours. BSE quarterly financials. Total sales April-June 2023 260 crores, April-June 2024 671 crores, and in a cut and an improvement of 158%. Net profit April-June 2023 440 crores, April-June 2024 264 crores, but there is a loss in the net profit minus 40%. The profit looks 40% lower. However, in the April-June 2023 quarter, BSE had reported an exceptional one-time gain of rupees 406 crores from the stake sale in CDSL. So, the April-June 2023 quarter's exceptional item is moved, then the profit would have significantly increased in this quarter, April-June 2024. Due to the very good quarter results, the BSE stock rallied today. More trading activity helps brokers and stock exchanges since they receive good transaction fees. With the high trading, especially in FNO, is a great time for such entities. Second stock in the news today is Tata Motors. Shares of Tata Motors rallied by more than 1.5% today in spite of overall weakness. This was because Moody upgraded Tata Motors corporate family rating CFR to BA1 from BA3 and maintained a positive outlook on all the other ratings. It means that the ratings of the corporate bonds which is issued by Tata Motors, and hence it may be possible for Tata Motors to borrow at a lower interest rates. Tata Motors shares also rallied due to the launch of its new car Tata Curve, which is available as an electric vehicle and petrol and diesel versions. Analysts are expecting this model to boost Tata Motors market share. The Tata Curve EV is priced between 17.49 to 21.29 lakhs. Latest target price of Tata Motors. Number 1, Nomura target after results 1303 and percentage above current price 25%. Jeffries target after results 1330 percentage above current price 27%. Morgan Stanley target after results 1178 percentage above current price 13%. Third stock that was in the news today was Infosys. Few days back, Infosys had announced it had received a pre-show cause notice from GST department for rupees 32,000 crore. Infosys has said that they don't believe that it is justified claim. However, a senior official has confirmed that the Indian government will not retract the tax demand of rupees 32,000 crore against IT giant Infosys. As per reports, the GST department has strong evidence in the case. The government official stated that the government is firm in its decision. The government can prove that GST has to be paid and was not paid by Infosys, then there could be a huge impact on Infosys. Also, other companies with foreign branches may also face similar tax demands. Infosys has requested for a 10-day extension to submit the response after meeting with tax officials. The company is facing tax demand of over 32,000 crore related to services received from its overseas branches between July 2017 and 2021-22 financial year. This amount is equivalent to approximately 85% of the company's revenue for the quarter April-June 2024. This is the reason for the 2.8% fall in Infosys shares today. End of the video, here is a question. Which broker had pledged the shares of its customers to take loans for business and personal use? There are 4 choices: A. IIFL, B. Karvy, C. Motilal Oswal, D. Way to Wealth. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.